Hello dear students, and once again I welcome to all of you in my English YouTube channel. As we know that we are studying about Revati's musical plants. Yesterday we discussed more number of things about Revati and about her plants. Now once again a short look about the yesterday's explanation about Revati. There was a girl whose name was Revati. Revati, she is a student of music. Revati, she likes to play an instrument, musical instrument. It is called as violin, isn't it? At the same time, he liked to water the plants which are there in front of her courtyard, isn't it? Now, one day, what actually happened? That when she was engaged playing her violin, isn't it? That time the plant it had given or it has given very ununique or very special moment, isn't it? That was a special moment, and when the special moment of the plant it was seen by Revati, that time she was very first time surprised. And the second time when she took the same experiment, yes, that whether my plants likes my music or not, yes, at the second time once again the same situation it came in front of her, and it became her or that become her most important thing, and she realized her plants likes her music. Yes, today we are going to continue from that same part. Now Revati, she has decided to participate in the best plant competition which is going to be organized by the colony or the residential colony where she lives, isn't it? Now one day what actually happened, it was a previous day of the competition. In that evening, she had played her music of violin, and happily after watching carefully her all plants, she went for sleeping. Now early in the morning, on that day of the competition, as early in the morning she woke up, she directly went in the garden or in the courtyard, and she started to search her plants, but nowhere, yes, she didn't find her plant nowhere in the courtyard. Now this time she was very sad. Such type of situation made her very serious, and after that situation when she asked her mother, have you seen my plants? Have you kept somewhere my plants? Indeed, that time mother said, no, I don't have any idea about your plants or about that potted plants. Indeed, but ज्या दिवशी कॉम्पिटिशन आहे त्या दिवशी एक दिवस अगोदर ती तिचे प्लांट बारकाईने त्याचं निरीक्षण करते. यस, पूर्णपणे ती आनंदी असते की तिचं ते हेल्दी दिसणारं प्लांट कॉम्पिटिशनमध्ये एक नंबरचं बक्षीस 100% मिळणार ही तिची खात्री. आणि बघ त्या रात्री ज्यावेळेस ती झोपते, दुसऱ्या दिवशी उत्साहाने ज्यावेळेस उठते आणि पटकन गार्डनमध्ये कोर्टयार्डमध्ये येते, तिचे प्लांट्स कसे दिसतात सकाळच्या उन्हामध्ये बघण्यासाठी, त्यावेळेस मात्र तिला तिचे प्लांट त्या कोर्टयार्डमध्ये दिसत नाही. बरोबर, प्रत्येक कॉर्नर कोर्टयार्डचा ती चेक करते, परंतु कुठेही तिचं प्लांट दिसत नसतं किंवा त्याचं अस्तित्व नसतं. मग न राहून तीच गोष्ट ती तिच्या आईला विचारते की माझे प्लांट तू कुठे ठेवलेस का किंवा तुझ्याकडे बघण्यात आले का. त्यावेळेस आई सांगते की नाही, तुझे प्लांट्स मी बघितले नाही किंवा मी कुठे ठेवलेले देखील नाही. परंतु एक गोष्ट ती तिच्या मुलीला सांगते की yesterday what happened, our neighboring lady, she came here in our courtyard, she had seen all that plants and she appreciated the proper plants which are liked by you. बरोबर, एक लेडी, शेजारची एक स्त्री, ती कोणीतरी आपल्या गार्डनमध्ये येते आणि ज्यावेळेस तिने ते सगळे प्लांट्स बघितले त्यावेळेस तिला ते एकदम छान आणि सुंदर वाटले. तिने देखील त्याची प्रशंसा केली. येस, हिअर सी गॉट अ स्मॉल क्लू whether her plants are stolen or not. Now, it was the day of the competition. Friends of Revati, they gathered, yes, around her, and they were forcing her to come and to join the function or the prize distribution ceremony. But now she was nervous, she was sad, and in that condition she did not want to attend the proper prize distribution ceremony. But when her friends they forced her, immediately she decided and she also went along with her friends in the prize distribution ceremony. When she came in that hall, and directly she had gone on that or near that bench where all the plants they were kept by the participant. म्हणजे अनेक प्रकारचे पार्टिसिपंट त्या ठिकाणी होते. अनेक पार्टिसिपंटनं त्यांचे प्लांट्स आणि त्यांच्या कुंड्या आणून त्या बेंचवरती किंवा लांब असलेल्या त्या टेबलवरती ठेवलेल्या असतात. ओके, सी वॉज केअरफुली ऑब्झर्विंग ईच अँड एव्हरी प्लांट. Now it was again a shocking thing for her that in that crowd of all the plants she had found her own potted plants, her own potted balsam plant. Immediately she identified, yes, this plant it looked like my plant किंवा हेच आहे जे प्लांट जे काल रात्री किंवा संध्याकाळी चोरीला गेलं आणि तेच कोणीतरी इथे आणून ठेवले. ओके, when she carefully observed the plant, she found a special and unique nameplate, yes, which was fixed somewhere in that pot with the help of a stick and spine. त्याच कुंडीमध्ये कुणीतरी त्या प्लांटच्या भोवती किंवा त्या प्लांटच्या समोरच छोटीशी एक नेमप्लेट तयार केली असते. म्हणजे त्या नेमप्लेटच्या आधारे ते प्लांट त्या ठिकाणी कुणी ठेवले, कुठल्या व्यक्तीला ठेवले हे नावासहित कळू शकते किंवा कळत होतं. Immediately she had gone and she stood in front of the organizers. बरोबर, आता आपण देखील हीच गोष्ट केली असती किंवा एखादी ज्यावेळेस आपली आवडती गोष्ट आहे ती गोष्ट जर आपल्या नजरेआड झाली किंवा तीच गोष्ट जर चोरीला गेली तर ती गोष्ट मिळवण्यासाठी आपण अनेक प्रकारे बरेचसे प्रयत्न करू. ही छोटी मुलगी देखील येस तिचं ते प्लान जे हरवले त्याला मिळवण्यासाठी आता प्रयत्न करत होती आणि प्रयत्न करताना सगळ्यात अगोदर ती जाते आणि ती उभी राहते ज्या लोकांनी ती कॉम्पिटिशन ऑर्गनाईज केली आहे त्यांच्यासमोर आणि त्यांना जाऊन ती सांगते, येस त्या ठिकाणी जे प्लांट आहे ज्या गडीमध्ये एक प्लांट दिसतंय छोटंसं त्याच्यावरती सुंदर फूल आलेलं आहे ते प्लांट माझं आहे आणि काल रात्री कोणीतरी ते चोरले आणि चोरी करणाऱ्यानं आज त्या प्लांटवरती त्याचं स्वतःचं नाव लिहून ते प्लांट या ठिकाणी सादर केलं. आता ही गोष्ट ऐकल्यानंतर ऑर्गनायझर्स ॲक्च्युली दे वर ऑल्सो नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन द वर्ड्स अँड इन दॅट आर्ग्युमेंट मेड बाय रेवती. isn't it? Now the organizers what they suggested to Revati, if you think you are the owner of that plant, yes, go and prove yourself, then only we shall decide whether it is yours or not. तू किंवा तुला जर असं वाटतं की ते प्लांट ही खरोखर तुझी प्रॉपर्टी आहे तर तुला एक काम केलं पाहिजे, तू सिद्ध करून दाखव किंवा ती गोष्ट तू प्रूव्ह करून दाखव की ते प्लांट तुझं आहे किंवा ते तुझ्या मालकीचं आहे. Now Revati she became sad. Why? Because nobody was listening her argument. Yes, in that sad condition she came and she sat beside her plant. As she sat, immediately she closed her eyes and the situation, the past situation, it flashed somewhere in her mind that whenever she used to play violin, the plants they react and the plants they likes her music. Indeed, म्हणजे ज्या वेळेस तिनं व्हायोलिन वाजवण्याचा प्रयत्न केला प्लांटच्या सोबत किंवा कंपनीमध्ये त्यावेळेस त्यांनी ते म्युझिक ॲप्रिशिएट केलं, त्यांना ते म्युझिक आवडलं आणि म्हणून त्यांच्यामध्ये मुवमेंट होत होती. यस, तीच एक आयडिया मग तिच्या डोक्यामध्ये येते, पटकन ती उठते, परत ऑर्गनायझर समोर जाते आणि त्यांना सांगते की यस myself I am ready to prove the condition, to prove the fact that I am the owner of that plant. Immediately she runs and directly she went her home. Again she came back in that hall. This time she came back with her violin and she explained to the organizers with the help of my violin and with the help of my music, isn't it? I am going to prove that myself I am the owner or the master of this plant. At very first time, after this argument, many people of that hall they started to laugh at Revati. They were trying to make fun of Revati and Revati's argument. बरोबर, प्रत्येक जण ज्यावेळेस त्यांना हे समजतं की एक छोटी मुलगी या ठिकाणी आलेली आहे आणि ती व्हायोलिन वाजवून सादर करणार किंवा ती व्हायोलिन वाजवून ही गोष्ट सिद्ध करणार की समोर जे प्लांट आहे ते तिचं आहे. का? कारण तिच्या सांगण्यानुसार ज्यावेळेस ती व्हायोलिन वाजवते त्यावेळेस ते प्लांट रिॲक्ट करतात, ते थोडेसे स्ट्रेट जातात, ते थोडेसे बेंड होतात आणि जणू तिच्या पायांना ते टच करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतात. मग ही गोष्ट सांगितल्यानंतर मग आणखी लोक हसू लागतात आणि आता मात्र येस दॅट वॉज द रिअल टाईम और दॅट वॉज द रिअल कंडिशन when रेवती सी सॅट बिसाइड हर प्लांट. जशी ती बसते immediately she start to play her favorite tune, that is a Mohanam. And as we have an idea that Mohanam it was the favorite tune of Revati as well as the same tune it is liked by her plant. As she was engaged, yes, playing violin, that time the other spectators, they were watching the correct movement of the plant. After some time, as the music was going on, the plant, it at first it goes straight, slightly it bent, and now slowly it was bending towards the feet of Revati. The real picture it was seen by all that people, those who came there in that competition. Now this is known as a miracle. According to them, this is known as a miracle. Very first time they were watching or they are watching such type of surprising thing, isn't it? And by this condition or by this, after this situation, organizers they somewhere realize yes, Revati she is talking correctly or she has a proper proof and she proved that she is the owner of that plant. Now question is that yes, if Revati is the owner of that plant, who brought that plant here and who put the same plant here in this competition by using the wrong name or by using the faulty name? Immediately a lady it was discovered by or she was caught by the organizers. As the lady was brought in front of organizers, yes, she made the huge argument, and after the huge argument, finally the neighboring lady of Revati, she accepted her mistake and she told that yes, yesterday in the afternoon I have just located the plant and in the same night I went there and I have yes stolen the plant from her garden. Finally, the mistake it was accepted and the mistake yes it was accepted by the lady. Finally, Revati she and her plants, okay, she herself and her plants, cause of the beauty of that plant, cause of the healthy plant it gets the first prize by the organizers and it was received by Revati. बघा ही गोष्ट जी रेवतीला म्हणजे रेवतीने हे स्वप्न बघितलेलं असते, परंतु प्लांट ज्यावेळेस चोरले जाते त्यावेळेस तिने ती गोष्ट सोडून दिलेली असते की नाही मला पहिलं बक्षीस मिळालं नाही तरी चालेल, परंतु माझ्या मित्रांसारखं किंवा माझ्या मैत्रिणींसारखं जे माझे प्लांट्स आहेत ज्यांची मी इतके दिवस काळजी घेतली ते प्लांट्स मला म्हणजे मला परत मिळाले पाहिजे ही तिची मनापासून इच्छा आणि स्वतः ती सिद्ध करते आणि स्वतः तिचे प्लांट आणि मिळालेलं पहिलं बक्षीस घेऊन ती पुन्हा घराच्या दिशेने चालू लागते. येस, इन दिस वे वी हॅव सीन अँड वी हॅव डिस्कस अबाउट द रेवती अँड रेवतीज म्युझिकल प्लांट. I hope you have understood the lesson, and if you have a problem or if you have any doubt, please try to write somewhere in the comment box, and surely your doubts and your problems they will be corrected from our side. Thank you. Have